Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great. Today we are diving into the world of selling digital products online. And the best part, you don't need a website or a huge audience to get started. It's perfect for beginners, offering a pathway to earning anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 with digital products that can be sold repeatedly. And guys, by any chance, if you are really interested in my preferred way, my own strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home as a complete beginner, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch the complete free masterclass. Just imagine if an ordinary person like me with English as a third language who can craft automated systems and making money in dollars. If I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and make money for your success? So for more information, as I said, please visit the first link, get registered and watch the free masterclass. But before we jump into the how to, let's cover some basics. First off, forget the idea of a get rich quick scheme. This isn't about instant cash. It's about building something sustainable over time. You don't need prior experience or expertise for this, just a willingness to put in the effort. Digital products offer scalability, meaning once you have created with that, they can be sold multiple times. Now the key is finding a niche you know something about or one people are interested in. Sharing your real experiences and knowledge is very crucial, whether it's fitness, wellness, personal development, online education or digital marketing. There are plenty of options available there, but it's essential to choose something you're genuinely interested into maintaining consistency over time. Now, if you're stuck on what niche to choose, you can use tools like ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas or simply search for popular niches. For example, you can make use of the exact same prompt what I've used to generate niche ideas. Alright, so once the results are generated, let's say if you're passionate about cooking, create recipe ebooks or meal plans could be your starting point. Or if you're interested into health and wellness, you can go with that. Or if you're passionate about digital marketing, create informational ebooks on digital marketing where people cannot find the information which you put on those digital products anywhere on the internet. So that would be selling for you. All right. So now once you have settled down with the niche, it's time to brainstorm product ideas. So you can make use of the exact prompt what I've used to generate product ideas. So once you're done with that, you can make use of tools like Canva and create visually appealing digital products like workout plans, meal plans, templates, ebooks or infographics or anything related to your niche. So there are many tutorial videos out there in the YouTube. So you can please go and search how to create digital products or ebooks by making use of Canva. There will be a ton of videos. So choose anyone which best suits your needs and create your own digital product. Now the key is to start small and simple, then expand as you grow. All right. Now let's talk about setting up your digital store. You don't need to fuss with complicated platforms like Shopify. And there are alternatives like Selfie or Gumroad offering simplicity and affordability. But I particularly like Payhip for its user-friendly interface. And also it's completely free. And there would be something around 5% transaction fee if you start for free. Or else there is a paid version, but I don't suggest to go with that. I'll just move on with that free version with Payhip. So once your digital product is created on Canva in the form of ebook, now it's time to set up your store on Payhip. First thing, as I said, sign up for free, name your store related to your niche, and then after choose the type of products you intended to sell. Alright, then connect your primary social media accounts or website if it asks, or else leave it aside. Next, add your first product by uploading your digital file, adding a description, category and price. And don't underprice your product. Keep this in mind. Higher prices often signal quality to buyers. So once you are done with that, click save product and your product is ready to go. Lastly, let's touch on marketing. Consistency is key over here. Study your competitors, learn what works in your niche and make it your own. Create tons of content and engage with your audience whatever they hang out online. And guys, don't worry about the marketing strategy or the marketing plan. I've created a dedicated video on Google Gemini. So you can find that video down in the description or anywhere popping on the screen. So please watch that video and create your own marketing plan so that this would be helping you out to sell your digital product. Alright guys, so there you have it. Selling digital products online is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. So choose a niche you love, create valuable products, set up your store and market consistently. Success won't happen overnight. Please keep this in mind. But with dedication, it's totally achievable. So guys, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some are great, some are so-so, and remaining are just waste of time. So if you're newly watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from my end. As well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. And also, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch my free presentation. It would be motivating you to create a sustainable business online. Alright guys, so good luck and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.